So we have understood the importance of variables declared inside a function and variables declared above a function. That's where we have seen the importance of global and local variables. We have also seen the usage of global keyword, right? Now let's understand the other important properties of how does functions are considered or as first class objects, or how does functions are first class objects, because in Python everything is an object. Whatever variable you create or whatever even list, tuple, everything is an object. Because what do you mean by an object? Basically object is something whatever we take up, right? A variable or a method or a function, everything is an object. Because generally an object is specific in nature, something like if you take up examples of birds, right? Sparrow, pigeon, parrot, everything is an object. They all belong to one class called as bird, because class contains the data and the methods that can access or change this data, right? Thus we can make clearly sure that a class is a blueprint that defines the variables and methods common to all objects. You need not worry about this, because we'll also discuss about the object oriented programming concept, because object oriented programming concept play a very key role in any programming language. That's where Python is also an object oriented programming language and scripting language. That's the reason, if you clearly observe, we need not dynamically declare, or that means explicitly declare the type of a variable, right? So with that part, we'll understand the importance of functions, where how do we assign a function to a variable, how does we can define a function inside another function, and how we can pass a function as a parameter to another function. Along with that, how do we return one function to another function? We'll be discussing all those properties, because generally when we can use functions as perfect objects. How do we say? When we create a function, the Python interpreter internally creates an object, right? That is the reason. For that, I'll be giving a very good explanation, because if we need not understand the importance of special variable, it's waste of use, right? Because whenever you run any program, automatically our Python interpreter will create a special variable internally by the name double underscore name. Do you want me to prove it? Yes, I'll prove it. When you execute this program, you get the result automatically. That means you are running this file. What is the file name? Functions.py. Automatically it creates special variable called as double underscore name double underscore. Because whenever you print the directory of every object, you see what you are getting? Double underscore built-ins doc a my. What is the function name we have created? My, right? And what is the variable? Yes, that is the reason it is internally created with the help of special variable main. That's where we'll be understanding the difference of a function and a module. Because whenever we execute a Python file, internally it creates by the name double underscore name. Because this stores the information, whatever your function or print or conditions, whatever you're trying to create, right? When we are running only as a Python script file, it saves with the name double underscore main. That is the reason when I am executing this, you see, you are clearly seeing double underscore main. That is the reason, you see, my is your function name, and when you restart this shell, you don't find these names, you see, you don't find this directory. When you give directory, you don't find directly a and my. See, these are gone because you restarted the shell. And once again, when you run this program, you can clearly understand, when you call the directory, obviously both of them will be loaded again. That's where internally it creates the name as main into that variable. When we try to import that as module, it will create the module name into name. That's where we use the word import, where we'll be understanding it very clearly. But before that, I wanted you to execute this. I want you to understand this simple concept of name and main. That is the reason. So let me just close this. Let us just execute this simple example. So let's create a Python program for that. So a Python program to understand, because so many people will never ever bother about this, but the usage of functions is when you write a heavy length of Python code or any kind of code, it takes time to run. But your memory is wasted and your time and machine becomes overheated, right? That is the reason people use functions to reduce the task. That is the reason in development, really, you need to create multiple functions, and that depends on user logic and so many things. So just be good at functions, your task is done, you can land in your dream job or whatever you're trying to make it. So just make it simple. So the special variable, so I create a function name called as display, right? So I just gave the doc string as, my doc string is understanding or implementation of, not implementation, let's just make it as understanding special variable, because as I told you, internally it creates with the name as main. Until and unless when we run it as a module, the main will be replaced with the module name. That's where the difference we have it, right? So now what do? Is we try to give some conditions and we'll try to understand what happens when we call the function. That's our logic. So we just give any print whatever you want. I write it as hello everyone. And what do? Is I create a condition here. My condition could be if double underscore name double underscore equal to main, because every Python program internally creates a special variable, right, with the name main automatically. If it is running as a script, then automatically it will be stored with that name, right? So I just write print of, if it is run as a Python file, it should execute this. So this code is run as a program. I'm just writing this simple print. You just try to understand the usage of it. Now I write else. When you go to modules, you'll clearly understand. I'll take the same program over there and you'll just make sure the else block is executed. You just remember this point. So print of, what do? We just create this code is run as a module. So what you're expecting the output? It's simple. Anyways, you'll be getting hello everyone only when you call the function. Just you see, if double underscore name equal to main, because as I told you, every time when you just run a Python file, automatically special variable name is created, right? It is created by the name double underscore name. And if we are just running it as individual program, the value is main. Now let me prove it. So when I save and when I run this script, I just need to call the function, right? When you call the function, you see, automatically what you are getting? Hello everyone, and this is run as a program. If you want to just make sure, you can also print the directory of it. Obviously, what you are getting? You are getting the function name as display, because what is your function name? Display. And even you see, again when you try to give the function call here, display, you can also see your doc string. See, understanding special variable. Every time you get this, and for your wonder, whatever you write some piece of code here, suppose if you try to give like this, a is equal to 1 by 0, and when you give print of a, see what is happening? Actually, a is equal to 1 by 0, it's zero division error, right? So when you run this, when you call the function, you see what is happening here? Zero division error. Why? Because you just gave some piece of code after print. Now what do? Is I just make some simple change. I just gave a piece of code here. Now when you save and when you execute this, what is happening? When you call the function, you would find some result. When you see, let me just execute this once more. You see, it's zero division error. Why? What is happening over there? Because this is not possible, right? So it is entering into if block. Obviously, the piece of code is executing here. But what happens if you do it here? A is equal to 1 by 0 and print of a, because it's a zero division error, right? So a is equal to 1 by 0. When does that happen? When you call the function, automatically this is being popped up. So just make sure that when you use such kind of things, always read type of errors and clearly why the else block is not being executed, because every Python file is created by special variable name. and automatically when you call the function, whether you call there or whether you call here, clearly you see you are getting this code is run as a program, and make sure when you print the directory you can clearly find the display function in it, and you can get the built-ins, because when we go for directory of built-ins we can clearly get the piece of or the defined errors and the built-in functions which we'll be learning. So make sure that is the clear property of a function, because functions are considered as first class objects, because in Python everything is an object, whatever you take, data type, function, method, class, whatnot, because whenever we create class, because class is generic in nature, object is specific. Again, class and object are different. A class consists of multiple objects. So make sure that we can pass a function to another function as just like we pass an object or value to a function. We use the same concept when we go for understanding object-oriented programming concept. Just make sure that whenever you run any file, if you give special variable name, automatically you get the answer as main itself. Special variable name, you get the result as main. So always check the directory, whatever script you are running, you see it is clearly running display function only. Why? We have run this script file. That is the main difference when you go for understanding the special variable, right? So now once we are clear with this, we'll understand about the properties of the functions in detail in the next series of videos, where we'll start with assigning function to a variable, then we go for function inside another function, function returning another function, function as a parameter. But just makes it simple how we are relating this logic, it's pretty important, right? So name is main. That is the reason whenever you see such kind of thing, you only remember one thing, or just make it simple, that is run only as a Python file. That is very, very important.